Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another toonie break. This is group break number 334, a box of 2014 draft prospects. We just did 2013, and as you see on the screen, we got this bad boy. We're hoping to get another one in this one. Here we go, good luck. So we're going to open the box first, and then we're going to put the hits into random.org, and we're going to have 6 or 7 happy members. Empty. Okay, so let's go with the base first. Okay, Jeremy Roy, John Quinville, Julius Bergman, Alex Nedeljkovic, Aaron Hayden, Anton Carlson, and Leon Draisaitl. That is a one lot. Oof, thought it was Connor. First autograph is Robbie Fabry. Not a bad one to get. Next is Clark Bishop. No Connor in this one. Jake Virtanen for the Canuck fans. That is definitely a good one. Number 2 of 15, Draft Dream Team of Joe Sakic. Number 12 of 15, Sam Bennett. Not a strong box, unfortunately. No gold either. So here are the hits on the bottom. Let me quickly write it down. Base lot, Virtanen, Bishop auto, Fabry auto, Sakic relic, and Bennett relic. Okay. So here it is. Let's write these down. I just realized I had 12 IMs. Guess we gotta take a look at that after. Okay, so we have the base lot. Next is Virtanen auto. Next is Bishop auto. Fabry auto. Sakic relic. Bennett relic. Okay, so this is just a test to see how many more X's I need. I need one more X. Okay, here we go. We'll do the names first. 1, 2, and 3. Next is the cards. 1, 2, and 3. Base lot on top. Oh, I forgot to put the names. Sorry. Let's go back here. Grab the names. So, D-Man, you get the base lot. Deck Jones, you get Bennett relic. Mugwag, you get Sakic relic. Jason, you get the Virtanen auto for a local guy. Not bad. Roberto gets the Bishop auto, and Bobby gets the Fabry auto. There you go, boys and girls. This is group break number 334 in the books. I'm going to copy this and paste it on Facebook page and our website. And we'll be back with another box break right after. Thank you, everyone.